own stool and make yourselves comfortable. Kids, now you settle down because your mom and dad are going to put on a show for us.
This is the story of how your mother and I met. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a beautiful swamp. It was full of mud and slime and bugs and snakes and all the things that would make it an ogre's home sweet home. Better acted in, I always say.
By order of Lord Farquaad, we are hereby authorized to place you under arrest and transport you to a designated resettlement facility. Yeah, by Lord Farquaad.
Lord Farquaad, eh?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Now where is he?
He's in Dubai.
But you can become one. All you have to do is marry a princess. And here they are. Cinderella, Snow White, and Princess Fiona.
Blast!
Congratulations, you've chosen Princess Fiona.
Now I need to find a fool to go fetch her for me.
Hey, Farquaad, I've a bone to pick with you.
Ah, ogre. Just the one I'm looking for. Alright, so you're gonna go fight a dragon and rescue a princess just so Farquaad will give you your swamp back?
Well, there's a lot more to me than people think. Ogres are like onions. Onions have layers, ogres have layers.
So where is this fiery, veiny big animal?
She's inside, waiting to be rescued.
I was talking about the dragon. Shrek? Shrek? Of course, there ain't nothing wrong with being afraid. He's a sensible and funny man under the situation. I'm not a good thing to situation, I'm not nervous. No, I never get nervous. I don't need nothing. A dragon that reaches fire is nice and breathe more fire. It is sure to be your coward, you little scared, you know what I mean? Shrek!
Princess, princess. Wake up! Are you Princess Fiona?
I am! Awaiting a knight so bold as to rescue me.
Ah, that's nice. Now let's go!
Shrek! Did you find the princess yet? Because I think I just might have found a dragon.
You didn't slay the dragon?
It's on my to-do list.
This isn't right! You had to charge in, sword drawn, banner flying, like other knights did.
Yeah, right before they burst into flames.
What kind of knight are you?
One of a kind.
Oh, you don't want me. I don't speak counter. I just stuck Steve, I mean, quite smart indeed. You try to hear this all the time when you're cool, but you must believe something, because that is a damn spot you got there. Do I detect the hint of Mickey presence? You're a girl, Jack. Everybody loves a fire-breathing dragon.
It's destiny! Well, you must know how the story goes. A princess, locked in a dragon is rescued by a brave knight, and then they share true love's first kiss.
What do you mean? You think Shrek is your true love?
I was sent to rescue you by Lord Farquaad.
You can tell Lord Farquaad that if he wants to rescue me properly, I'll be waiting for him right here.
Princess, what happened to you? You're
I'm ugly, okay? It's my curse. By night one way, by day another. Well, who could ever love a beast so ugly? And princess and beast don't go together.